Recessed strobe light. Rated SAE J595 Class 2 and IP67 for water and dust resistance, this strobe light has 24 LEDs with a 6-flash strobe pattern, and has a 12 to 24 volts power range. Standard design for easy installation. Energy saving power. With a standard design for easy installation, this recessed strobe light includes a grommet and place 3 plug for installation, not for use as reverse lights. Lighting accessories. Bayer's line of stick-on reflectors, LED truck lights, work lights, and warning lights are perfect for large commercial, utility and construction vehicles as well as UTVs, ATVs and everything in between. We do things the right way. We design products like we're building them for ourselves, because we are. Our teams are staffed with engineers and experts who know how to make a product exceptional. Durable and dependable. Founded in 1946, Bayer's Products has become a leader in the truck equipment industry, though our commitment to customer care, innovation, and value across our range of products. Bayer's Products 4-inch round LED recessed strobe light has 24 LEDs and is SAE J595 Class 2 rated. It features 12 to 24 volts power range and has an impact-resistant plastic housing. A grommet and place 3 plug are included for installation. The light is available with a 6-flash or quad-flash strobe pattern. The quad-flash strobe also has alternating and synchronous functions. Lights are rated IP67 for water and dust resistance and are backed with a 5-year warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Great product, great company. The flashing lights were great as promised. Customer service at this company couldn't have been better. They were very helpful with questions and prompt service. Nice to see companies like this still exist. I was very satisfied all the way around.